Hi, Krishna, the bookkeeping tutor is here. It is so exciting having you here. In this video, you will see how to create a purchase order in the Xero app. Before we start, let me explain a little bit what a purchase order or a PO is. It's a commercial document issued by the buyer to the supplier that outlines the details of the purchase. It's a firm commitment that in case the supplier delivers the described goods and services, the buyer will pay the agreed price. As it is a binding legal document, please always make sure that all the details, including the terms and conditions, especially regarding the payment, are correct. Now that's clear, so let's get started.
You can create a purchase order either directly from the dashboard or from the Purchases section by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner. First, you choose the supplier you want to send a PO to. If the supplier is not among your contacts, you can create a new supplier. The PO's issue date always defaults to today, but you can change that if you tap on the line. I will leave it as I'm fine with the default. The next line is the delivery date. In this case, I'd like the items to get delivered in 14 days. Then we need to add the product or service we order. I'd like to purchase 2 monitors. In my business, this will be office equipment. I need 2 of them, so the quantity is 2 and the price is $310 each. Under Options, you may add a discount if needed or delete this line item. I don't want to do any of them, so I go back by tapping Cancel here. If you want to order other items from this supplier, you can add them by tapping Add another item. I'm okay with this order, so I tap Done. As you can see, I entered the prices as tax-inclusive prices. If the supplier's prices are GST exclusive, you tap on the blue text line and change it to tax-exclusive. As you can see, the total amount increased with the GST. In the next section, you can fill out the delivery details, your address, phone number, and any relevant instructions. Under the optional details, you can add the PO number. If you don't add a specific PO number to the purchase order, Xero will assign the next subsequential PO number to it. You may also add a reference number to your PO. When ready, you tap Save. You have 2 options. Use Save if the PO is not final yet and you want to add more details to it later. Xero will save it as draft, and if you tap on the PO, you can approve it as is or further edit. I chose the second option, but then decided I'm happy with it, so this time I choose Approve. As you can read here on the top, it's an approved PO, and its status has changed to bill. After you approve the PO, you could edit it further or mark as billed. And I'm afraid in terms of purchase orders, that's all what you can do in the app. If you want to send a PO to your supplier or download a PDF version or create an actual bill from the PO or link the order items to your inventory, you need to switch to the web browser-based Xero because unfortunately these options are not available in the app.
I do hope you found this short video useful. Thanks so much for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions. My contact details are in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to get notified when a new video is uploaded, please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you soon again.